Beijing, the capital of China, a city steeped in history and culture, welcomes travelers from around the world to explore its ancient wonders and modern marvels. With a history dating back over 3,000 years, Beijing has served as the political, cultural, and educational center of China for centuries. For those embarking on a 7 to 10-day trip to Beijing, a suggested daily itinerary includes exploring iconic landmarks such as the Forbidden City, Tiananmen Square, and the Summer Palace in the first 3 days. Days 4 to 6 can be spent visiting the Great Wall of China, the Temple of Heaven, and the Lama Temple. The final days of the trip can be dedicated to discovering the traditional hutongs, indulging in authentic Peking duck, and experiencing the modern art scene at places like the 798 Art District. In terms of costs, travelers can expect to spend around $50 to $70 per day in Beijing, covering accommodation, meals, transportation, and entrance fees to attractions. It's important to budget wisely and look for affordable options to make the most of your trip without breaking the bank. While Beijing is generally a safe city for travelers, it's crucial to remain vigilant, especially in crowded areas and tourist hotspots. Keeping your belongings secure and being cautious of scams and pickpocketing can help ensure a safe and enjoyable trip. For budget-friendly accommodation options, consider staying in hostels or budget hotels in central areas like Dongcheng or Xicheng. Popular choices include Leo Hostel, Peking Yard Hostel, and 365 Inn, offering comfortable stays at affordable prices. Navigating Beijing is made easy with its extensive public transportation system, including the subway, buses, and taxis. Travelers can purchase a reloadable transportation card for convenience and cost-effective travel around the city. U.S. citizens traveling to China are required to have a valid passport and a Chinese visa. It's recommended to check visa requirements well in advance of your trip and ensure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended stay. When booking flights to Beijing, keep an eye out for airline promotions and discounts to secure the best deals. Planning in advance and opting for street food can help save money, allowing you to explore more of the city's attractions and experiences. As the sun sets over the Beijing skyline, travelers are encouraged to subscribe to the channel for more budget travel guides to dream destinations. With helpful tips and recommendations, planning your next adventure to Beijing or beyond can be a breeze. Have a safe journey and happy travels.